Moving can be one of the most stressful times in life. Getting all your things from point A to point B without it costing an arm and a leg can be pretty intense. I've just found a great new rental, but now the eternal dilemma. Do I hire someone or do I move myself? Okay, so money is a bit tight, which means that I'm going to have to do everything myself. Time to coax in a strong friend with a large car to help me move out. Bribery can help. No worries, I can do this myself. Maybe I'll start with the smaller items.
It sounds obvious, but the best way to protect your things when moving is to be really careful with them. Having contents insurance can also help in case things go wrong. You can't wrap everything with bubble wrap, but blankets will protect bigger furniture items from scrapes and scratches. And when moving a fridge or washing machine, allow at least 48 hours for it to drain. Because your contents insurance usually won't cover you if your boxes and furniture get water damage on the way to your new place.
I can do this. I didn't drink all those protein shakes just for the taste.
You've got this, Emily.
Thanks?
You do need to take care when you're moving yourself, as your insurance may not cover your items as you're moving out and while they're in transit. A UE contents insurance policy covers items while moving if they're damaged by fire or motor accident, but only in the truck of a professional moving company, not the back of your friend Sean's ute.
Well, that's that then. But isn't getting professional movers expensive?
Moving costs can vary depending on where you're moving from and to, the accesses at both residences, and of course the size of your move. When you're moving your bigger furniture items, you're definitely going to need to hire a truck. So once you consider the costs of hiring a truck in your time, moving with a professional company is definitely not expensive.
Does seem to be around the same price.
Moving can be stressful, so moving with a professional mover will definitely give you peace of mind and will be worth the expense in the long run.
Removalists might also have their own insurance that can cover for any damages they cause to your items or while in transit. It's worth checking exactly what they're insured for.
There's a lot to unpack here, but it seems like the best choice is what suits your circumstances and your budget. And since my friends have all gone AWOL and my bed is apparently made of steel, I might just have to hire some professionals.
We'd be happy to help, Emily.
You all just saw that, right?